Hi Sam. I'm excited to see you today. How are you doing?
Hi Alex. I'm good, thanks. What word are we learning today?
Today, we're learning the word.
Bedeutung.
It means meaning in English.
That sounds interesting. So, it's just about meaning.
Yes, but it can also refer to significance or importance. The most common use is meaning, but be careful with false friends like
Bedeutung.
in English, which might confuse you.
Got it. So how do we use
Bedeutung.
in a sentence?
Great question.
Bedeutung.
Is a feminine noun, so you say.
Die Bedeutung.
In the singular. The plural is.
Die Bedeutungen.
You can use it in a sentence like,
Was ist die Bedeutung dieses Wortes?
which means, what is the meaning of this word?
I see. How do I say the meaning was clear?
In the past tense, you would say,
Die Bedeutung war klar.
in the perfect tense, you can say,
Die Bedeutung ist klar gewesen.
and if you want to give an imperative, you could say,
Erkläre die Bedeutung.
which means explain the meaning.
That's helpful. Is there more to the grammar of this word?
Yes. The word itself has roots in Old High German, where it originally denoted a sense of to mean or to signify. It has evolved over time to encompass both meaning and significance.
That's fascinating.
It really is. Now, let's break down.
Bedeutung.
The prefix is, which often indicates a process or making something. The root is,
Deut.
from the verb,
Deuten.
which means to interpret. The suffix,
Ung.
indicates a noun that represents the result of a process, similar to ing in English.
So, it's like assembling pieces together.
Exactly. Just like Lego blocks. When you combine them, you get the concept of meaning.
Can you give me some similar words?
Sure. Here are a few examples. First, with the prefix, we have,
Beraten.
which means to advise, and,
Besitzen.
meaning to possess.
What about with the suffix?
Ung.
Good question. With,
Ung.
we have,
Erklärung.
meaning explanation,
Entwicklung.
meaning development, and,
Veränderung.
meaning change.
And any compounds?
Yes. With similar patterns, we have
Wissenschaft,
meaning science and
Beteiligung,
meaning participation.
This is really useful. How can I use?
Bedeutung.
In real life.
Here are a few situations. At work, you might say,
Was ist die Bedeutung dieser Aufgabe?
meaning what is the meaning of this task?
I can try that.
Was ist die Bedeutung dieser Aufgabe?
Perfect. Another situation could be with a doctor. You might say,
Könnten Sie mir die Bedeutung dieser Diagnose erklären?
meaning could you explain the meaning of this diagnosis to me?
Okay.
Könnten Sie mir die Bedeutung dieser Diagnose erklären?
Great job. Lastly, while traveling, you might ask,
Was ist die Bedeutung dieses Schildes?
which means what is the meaning of this sign?
I'll try that.
Was ist die Bedeutung dieses Schildes?
Excellent.
Are there any tips for remembering it?
Since
Bedeutung.
is feminine, you can remember it with the image of a meaningful woman who signifies importance. The ending often indicates feminine nouns in German.
That's a good visual.
Now let's talk about usage notes.
Bedeutung.
Is generally neutral, but it can lean more formal in academic contexts. Common collocations include
Die Bedeutung verstehen.
to understand the meaning and
Die Bedeutung verlieren.
to lose meaning. Be careful not to confuse it with
Bedeutend.
meaning significant.
I'll keep that in mind.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. What is the gender of?
Bedeutung.
It's feminine, right?
Correct. What does the prefix usually indicate?
It indicates a process or making something.
Yes. Can you give me a sentence using
Die Bedeutung.
Die Bedeutung ist wichtig.
exactly? What was the past tense form?
Die Bedeutung war klar.
Good job. Finally, what is a similar word with the suffix
ung?
Erklärung.
Perfect. You're doing fantastic, Sam.
Thanks, Alex. This was a lot of fun. What's the key takeaway?
The key takeaway is that
Bedeutung.
means meaning, and it's used in various contexts. Remember its feminine gender and practice using it in daily conversations.
I will. Thank you for the lesson.
You're welcome, Sam. Keep practicing, and I look forward to our next word.